Let me show you how to use these Signal voice calls. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. Signal is a messaging platform where you can send in text messages as well as use voice calls over the internet. Signal provides an end-to-end encrypted voice calls to other Signal users as well. So in order to make voice calls to other people, you can open up a chat, either it be a personal chat or a group chat as well. If you already don't have the chat list in this section, you can tap on the pencil icon on the bottom right and then pick the person that you're trying to call. Once you're inside of the chat, you'll be able to see two options, the voice call and the video call option. Now, depending upon what you need, you can tap on each of these options. And once you do, if this is your first time trying out a voice call, you'll need to allow permission to Signal, such as microphone or your camera, if you choose a video call option. So you can just tap on this option and the voice call will immediately start, and if the other person is online, they will get notified about your call. You can turn on settings such as speakers or microphone. You can do the same thing with a group call as well if you're trying to chat with a group using the voice message. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.